Hello Form 2 and 3 students. In today's art class, we are going to do craft. We are going to do decorative chains. For this, what you all need is handmade colorful papers like this you can make out of A4 size papers. So I have made two different kind of colored paper from A4 size. Fold it and cut it into half, so it will be easy for you to color it in two different ways. You will be needing stapler or favicol, and you will be needing ruler to make stripes. You will be needing either a newspaper or any kind of long waste papers. I have one waste paper. So I am going to roll this paper and make a straw out of this paper. So students, first we are going to make straw out of this paper. So what I am going to do is, from this rectangle side, pick up any one corner, fold it into stripe and then keep rolling it. Don't press it, keep rolling it. See, what I did is, I folded 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's all. Then with the help of this fold, keep rolling it. See, like this way. Or you can take help of pencil or anything that helps you to form a straw like this way. See. And when you reach up till here, you have to apply a favicol and you lock it. Spread a favicol little, and what you have to do is, you have to lock it. So keep holding it till it gets dry. It will just take a minute. Now keeping it aside for drying, then we will use it. As I told students that out of A4 size paper, fold it into half and make two pieces equal. Color it in different way so you can make two different flowers out of it. So I am going to teach you how to make stripe out of this. So you will get an exact size. What you have to do is, now you have to match shorter side with shorter side and fold it. Again fold it into half and again fold it into half. Now this folding, you have to press it hard. Why? So you can see the folds. Now with the help of scale or ruler, keep your ruler on a fold and start tearing it. Start tearing it. Now this will be a broader one. So what you have to do is, if you find it a broader one, you can still fold it into half, students. Still fold it into half. Now this will be a little hard for you to tear because it does not have that broadness to hold. So ask someone at your place to get you cut it with scissors. Ask someone at your place to cut it with scissors. Same way, I have done some stripes cutting work ready for you to show you. See, I have done some. These are ready-made papers and these are handmade colored papers. So what we are going to do is, I am going to make flowers out of this and I am going to make rings out of this. Ask someone also to get you some circles cut from waste paper. This is also handmade colored paper. So I got more circles to cut. Why? Because you are going to make such kind of flowers. Ready? Shall we start? Now, students, for each flower you will be needing 8 such stripes and 2 circles. For quick work, what you can do is take a stripe, turn it around to the wrong side. You are only going to color one side of the paper. The other side, if you don't color, it's fine. Now, the colored side, you are going to put it down and you will be seeing wrong side. This wrong side, you have to fold your stripe like this way. It should be like this way. From here up till half of it, you have to staple it. See how much I am stapling it. Not from here, about half of it. Even you can paste it with Fevicol, but if you are going to do more numbers of such stripes, it is good that you fold it and staple it. But if you want to go with a Fevicol, you have to apply Fevicol up till here all over and then hold it for a while and press it. So same way I am going to do with this all stripes. Students, as you can see, these are 8 stripes and 2 circles. Pick up one circle, put it upside down like you have to see the wrong side. The right side should be below. Now you will be needing Fevicol. Now with the help of Fevicol, what you have to do is pick up one stripe, apply a Fevicol and paste it on the top. Then again apply a Fevicol. This is very important placement of petals. Paste it exactly down, top, down. Then what I am going to do is, I am going to apply a Fevicol here, or you can apply on a stripe, choice is yours, and paste it right. Again apply a Fevicol here and paste it to the left. Now, can you see this 4 please? One by one I will place each petals by applying Fevicol over here or over here, your choice, and start pasting it like this way. Now, what you have to manage is that the length should be equal. It should not go too much inside like this way. This is wrong. It's going too much inside. It's not actually wrong, but it looked like a different flower. If you want to do it like this way, 4 petals in a plus outside and the other 4 in a cross a little inside is also right. There is nothing wrong in it. Like this way. Then like this way and one more like this way. Place it. Take another circle, apply a Fevicol on edges, a little in the center and place it over here. Set it for a try. Same way you are going to make 8 flowers. If you want to make more strings of decorative, you can make more flowers. I am going to make 2 strings of 8 flowers. Can you see? Okay students, now turn by turn we are going to lock this flower with the help of making a ring with the stripes with the other flower. So what you have to do is take a stripe, insert it inside. Now this you can also staple or you can paste it. I am going to staple it and make a ring. Then take another color. Now this is absolutely your color combination and choice and creativity. Then again I am going to, now this ring as much as you want. I am going to take 3 rings. Now with the last ring, if I am going to take 3 or 4 ring, what I am going to do is, if last ring should be attached with the flower. Again I think so I would like to take 4 rings. So what I am going, this will be my last ring. So this has to go as it is a last ring, it has to go inside the flower and staple it. And staple it. So it will look like this way. Same way, again you start with any one color you like. Either paste it or you can staple it. This also you can make handmade colored papers ring. I had ready some of the waste paper chart sheet, so I made this one out of waste paper chart sheet. Now 1, 2, 3 I am going to make 4 rings. So the last flower, what I am going to do is going to insert the ring from the flower and from the ring. Insert the stripe, one from the flower, the other from the ring, and then staple it. Same way you are going to finish 1, 2, 3 and the fourth one. Again insert it, fold it like this way, one over the other, and staple it. Insert it, fold it like one over the other. Not like this way, like this way, one over the other, and staple it. Insert it, fold it and staple it. Now for the last flower, what I am going to do is, I am going to insert the stripe from any one petal of the flower and from the last ring and staple it. So same way you are going to make 2 strings. Now students, at last I would like that a little string is hanging like this way, a little ring is hanging. So I am going to attach only 3 rings like this way. Can you see at the end of the flower? What extra you can do is, if you feel like, you can do a little changes, but ring will look good. But if you have any other idea, you can do here. So same way I am going to do with both the 2 strings. Now students, you will be fixing this 2 strings with the straw you had made, a long straw. So what I am going to do is, how I am going to fix it? Take again one stripe, insert it here. Insert it in the last ring where you had made extra only 3 rings just now, which I taught you. And what you do is, you put a pipe here, you put a staple here and staple it. Alright, now this is your choice. You want to fix the ring, then you have to apply a drop of Fevicol here and hold it for a while. Same way, the second ring we are going to do is, insert it from the ring, put it like this way and staple it. If you want to paste it, then apply a Fevicol and hold it. After it gets dry, it will look like this. See students, it will look like this.